Hi everyone. Okay, get ready for this one because if you liked the last kitchen hack I did, this one is 10 zillion times better than the last one. So guys, this is what I like to call my challenge-friendly kitchen hacks in less than 60 seconds. And today, I am going to be making a challenge-friendly whipped cream. You heard me. A challenge-friendly whipped cream. There are some real important pieces to the puzzle of this whipped cream. This is probably the most important piece of the puzzle. See this brand of coconut milk, okay? See that brand? I get mine at FreshCo. I don't know where else you can get it. I think they've got it at Bulk Barn as well, but guys, this brand is kind of the key because you're gonna get a thicker coconut cream up at the top. Not that you can't use other brands, but you're just not gonna get as much bang for your buck as I find with this one, okay? You're gonna take your can of coconut milk, it has to be full fat, put it in the refrigerator overnight, at least 24 hours so that the thicker coconut cream comes up to the top, the water's gonna come down to the bottom. What I care about is the thicker coconut cream at the top. Then you're gonna open it up. Now when I say open it up, I mean be so darn careful. If you start shaking that around, I'm telling you, your 24 hours of letting it sit, you just ruined it, okay? So be super careful and it's gonna look crazy and weird and thick and awesome. See that? How thick and incredible that looks? Then what you're gonna do, I tried to find myself like a clear bowl so that I could show you guys, like look at that. Are you kidding me? I didn't have a clear bowl, so this is as good as it gets right now. I'm just gonna scoop it. I'm telling you, this is why this brand is so stinking awesome, because there's so much. Some brands you'll get like 3 scoops and that's it, but you really want that beautiful thicker coconut cream. Then what I do is I reserve the rest of it for it's even good like that, are you kidding me? I reserve the rest of the coconut water for a smoothie, okay guys? Because I don't like to waste. Then, you're starting with that first, okay? Then what you're gonna do is go in with a little bit of apple butter, date butter. I say about 1 teaspoon. You go off how your family likes it. My kids are cool with this. If you feel like they need a little bit more sweetness, then just go ahead and add a little bit more if you need to. Apple butter, date butter, something that's gonna cut through it a little bit. Then you're gonna use your little hand beater. You notice that this is really not an important piece of the puzzle because I only have one of these little things. I lost the other one. It doesn't matter. That's not huge. You could even do it with a fork if you needed to. Okay, then you're gonna beat it up. You could also add, like, see that? Woo! You can also add some vanilla. You can add some cinnamon. My point is, it's phenomenal, okay? It's phenomenal. And this can be used as an icing, which is incredible on the black bean brownies, guys. So, if you needed, say, like a dip for a fruit tray, and you're like, you know the whipped cream dip in the center? That is your new challenge-friendly whipped cream, the greatest 60-second kitchen hack I got. An amazing challenge-friendly day.